I have never seen this cute earth jello before. Oh my gosh! So cute, so real. Happy Earth Day!
Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing Barbie cooking! Yay! Actually today is Earth Day. Happy Earth Day Barbie dolls! First of all, let me show you what I just made. It's crazy, like beyond. I need to show you this. Ta-da! I made Earth jelly. It literally looks like Earth. I know it's not pink, that's why I didn't say pink food cooking today. But it's still Barbie cooking because Barbie inspired me and Barbie asked me to... I already posted another video to celebrate Earth Day this year, which was Dirt Cup dessert recipe video. I'm so glad so many subscribers really love that video. From my last Dirt Cup video, I still have this mint cream leftover mint cream, and so I was thinking I could use this cream for something else. And that's why I did this to put here. Yeah. So I just want to show you how I did today. So please enjoy watching. Let's start. So I start from this blue jello for the ocean. And I want to make it faster, so let's do this speed step method. Sorry about the sound. I'm boiling the water right now, so yeah, please ignore that sound. Anyway, so gelatin mix in 1.5 cups boiling water. I want to make it in this pink bowl because it's perfect round for my earth. It's blue and the flavor is very blue. I like berry taste. So from this pouch in 1.5 cups. Oh my gosh! Crazy blue. Wow, literally it looks like Earth. I've never seen any blue food in my kitchen. The contrast looks crazy, huh? Is it dissolved already? Was it enough? I think that's good. I need ice cold water. And put this here until it gets slightly thickened. Does it really get thickened? I'm not sure. It is. I mean, yeah, I feel it. Yeah, it's not hot anymore. And now, you know what? I want to try putting some, since I want to make it look like ocean, so I want to put this fish sprinkle. I should have done like layers, huh? It's too late. It's okay. All the fish is on the bottom. It's okay. And let's put it in the fridge. In the camera it looks so weird, but in a person, actually it looks pretty. It looks cute. Put it in fridge for 30 to 90 minutes. So maybe 1 hour, that's good. So it's been 30 minutes. So let me check my jelly. The blue jelly. Ocean jelly. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. It's not perfectly, but I can see it's getting hotter. I can see it. You know what? I kind of want to try to pour a little milk to make it like crowd, you know? I'm not sure how it's gonna be like, but I want to try. And I also want to put fish right now. Ah, cute! It's cute. Okay, okay. Yeah, like that. So yeah, maybe it's too late to pour milk, huh? I don't know. I'm so scared to try this, but I'll try. It's okay. If I mess up, I can always cover at the end. Let me try. Oh, yeah, kind of look like an earth, don't you think? Yeah. Oh yeah! It's getting like earth-ish. Maybe I want to do more. Oh yeah, like this. Go like this. crowd. I think that's getting good. It's Earth. The Earth. Totally look like Earth. Okay, put it back to the fridge to make it a little hotter. Waited for another 1 hour and now it's look like this. Yeah, so it's been like over 90 minutes for total. Yeah, I think it's firm enough to do another decoration, right? So here I still have a chocolate cookie crumble from my last Earth Day cooking video, the one from Third Cup. If you didn't watch it, please watch it because that recipe is also really cool. So now I want to put continent. I just don't want to cover the milk part much, but it's hard. You know what? I'm not making any particular continent this time, to be fair, you know. Here's some island. Look like this. Looks more Earth, real. And since this time I use this mint Oreo, so I still have some mint cream left. I'm using this. Human, we are hurting our Earth, unfortunately, but we still have some beautiful green on this Earth. We really need to stop hurting Earth. We should appreciate more. These are beautiful green mountains. Random is good. It looks more real. Yeah, it doesn't need to be like flat, you know. Like a bumpy looks makes it look more three-dimensional. It looks so real. Oh my gosh. What else I could put? Let's put a little glitter on the Earth. Maybe that's too much, but I want to make it a little cuter. This is cute. Ta-da! I made Earth jelly. Wow, this is masterpiece. I know it's not pink, but this is masterpiece. Ta-da! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I'm so excited. Like beyond. Oh, I need to tell you that the glitter sugar I put, it's already melting. It almost looks like a bubble. But actually the bubble kind of makes it look like real water, real ocean. So it might look pretty. I don't know, depends on you. Let me try because I really like blue jello, the taste of blue jello as well. I'm not a huge fan of blue color, but right, the flavor is different, something else. I really want to try because it already smells good. I'm not eating a lot because I'm having another live streaming today and I want to show people this cute stuff. So I'm just gonna taste a little bit. I'm also excited to eat this huge jello all by myself. Oh my god, this is amazing. I'm so proud of myself today. せーの、いただきます. I don't want to mess up the center part because like I told you, I want to show people still. So let's start from the edge. Just the jelly part. Ah! Ocean color. We need to save this ocean. Yummy. It is good. I usually get pink one or like a red one, the raspberry or strawberry taste, but the blue one tastes good. I want to try with little mint cream and Oreo part as well. Cookie crumbles definitely add some nice texture, and so what's mint cream. The flavor really goes well with this berry flavor. It's so good. You know what? I can totally finish this today. My gosh! Happy Earth Day, dolls! So it's the Earth Day. We still need to stay home. I just wanted to show you that we don't need to go outside to celebrate Earth Day because it's more about we just need to save and appreciate this planet which we are living on. I'm gonna finish reading this later. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye bye.